Hi everyone. So today is Friday and our skies here in North Texas have been a little bit overcast today. And so on a day like this, it kind of gets me in the mood for making more of a comfort food. And today I just feel like making a homemade pizza. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is make our crust. Now you're going to want to do this early in the day because it does take a lot more time to put together since you have to wait for the crust to rise. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is add 2 1/4 teaspoon of dried yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now that's going to help to feed our yeast. And we have 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let this yeast sit in the water and sugar mixture for a little while, about 5 minutes, so that the yeast has a chance to bloom. And then I will be right back to show you the next step. It's time to add the rest of our ingredients. And so I'm going to add in 2 1/2 cups of bread flour, 1 1/4 cup of regular all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons more of sugar. And we also have 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to start out on low, and I'm just going to mix this until it becomes kind of a shaggy ball. The dough is now at the shaggy ball stage, and so now I'm just going to turn up the speed, and we're going to continue kneading it with the dough hook for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until it becomes a smooth ball. So the dough is now ready, and you can expect that it's going to feel a little bit tacky to the touch. You need to avoid the temptation of trying to add more flour to it at this point. This is how it's supposed to be. So what I'm going to do now is put it into an oiled bowl and let it rise for a couple of hours at least. If it's a cooler day, it might take a little longer than that. But anyways. Now I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in the bowl and cover it with a damp cloth until it's double in size. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. The dough has had plenty of time to rise. It's already fallen a little bit just because I took off the towel and it was kind of stuck to that, but it's not a big deal. So what I'm going to do now is lightly oil my hands and split this into 2 pieces, and then just let those dough balls rest for about 15 minutes before I roll it out and make the pizzas. So anyway, I'm going to just go ahead and take care of this and show you what it looks like when it's done. Have a great day.